I've lived in the house here for 30 odd years and lived with my husband and a rather naughty cat. My old kitchen here was really dark and gloomy and rather dark and maroon. Many of the cupboard doors have got cracked over the years and were damaged. So we decided actually we wanted to lighten up the room and also bring something new and some new equipment into the room as well. And make it lighter as a room overall. I decided on Sigma 3 because we've looked at other companies and it seemed that some of the companies just wanted to fit their product into your requirements rather than listen to your design needs. And I was very impressed when I went to Sigma 3, just by chance actually, to find that Susan listened to our requirements and was able to take everything that I wanted into the design. When I visited the showroom, I realised there was a huge range of new opportunities. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted, but Susan helped guide us through the design process. I definitely wanted lighter, and we looked at many colours and options of worktops and cupboard doors, and we ended up with this lovely stone grey colour and a lovely, nice and reflective worktops, which are perfect for this dark room. One of the issues I had was that I couldn't reach the handles on the window, so one of the good things that we've done is actually reduce the width of the cupboard here, so that was brilliant. He likes to sit on the window ledge here, and I open the window so he can sniff the air because he's outdoors some of the time but indoors most of the time, and the accessibility of that was important to me as well. The main thing I like about the kitchen is that it is light and airy. Even on a dark day you can actually enjoy the light within the room. The sink is great, even though it's in that position, it's actually more practical. Before, my husband and I used to sometimes sort of clash around this area when we were doing the dishwasher or the sink, and we don't do that so much now. The spacing is a lot better. I was very happy that I chose Sigma 3, and that's absolutely genuine. The fact that everything that I wanted was included within the kitchen, and I was talked through the process. I think the design met my needs, and I've recommended them to a friend already who's actually gone through an installation process, and she's really happy as well.